back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have our August 2019 Whole Sha Bang Box. So I do want to go over this box just for those that are not that familiar with it. So the Whole Sha Bang Box is found on Cratejoy. They do have their own website now, which I will link everything down below for you guys. But what it says is the Whole Sha Bang Box celebrates the beauty and diversity in women around the world. We want to show the beauty in many different brands and products to explore. The mission for the Whole Sha Bang Box is for women to complement each other with uplifting and empowering one another to treat, love yourself, and show your beauty and self-love. So the products are all hand-picked by women for women. And it says reward yourself with a gift of self-love or for someone you love. They do ship out between the 15th and 25th of every month. You will receive an email with tracking information the day that your box ships. They do ship worldwide, which is awesome. And prices start at $39.95 a month. Now, obviously, if you go ahead and prepay for 3-6 months or something, you know, it's going to bring the price of the boxes down. But if you just go month to month, it is $39.95. Now, I have not been disappointed by any of the boxes I have received. They do send this to me free for review, so I do want to say that. However, if I were paying the $39.95, I have not been disappointed. I definitely think the value is there. I mean, we've had stuff from Victoria's Secret, Clinique, you know, I'm trying to think of the brands. We've had some really amazing stuff. So like I said, the value is definitely there, but I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get in here. So let's see what we got for August. All right. Okay, so this is what I see here. So we have a thank you card on top. Oh, okay, so they actually listed everything. They hand wrote down everything here with pricing, which I really like. So let's see what we got. Like, okay, there we go. All right, so we have something right here in this bag. I didn't want it to fall out. And then we have all of the stuff here inside. So let's start with this and see what this is. All right, so this is everything in beauty and self-love. So this is their new business card with their new website. So that is nice. And this is from Onyx Bathhouse Luxury Bath Soap in Lavender. Okay, I smell it. Oh, free gift in the heart bag. I'm like, I don't see it listed. So this is a free gift. Okay, so let's start with this. Oh boy. I don't have the best luck with these. They work great, but they don't like me and I don't like them that much. I've not heard of this brand, Vasol Suction Black Mask. It's a purifying peel off mask. And if you have followed me, you know that I don't have the best luck with peel off mask. And I have used one of the like charcoal peel off masks before and I was in tears. But this is valued at $12.99. So what I will probably do is stick this in a future giveaway just because I'm scared. So, but we have a peel off mask. So that is awesome. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look, see, I'm getting nervous even thinking about it. All right, so, oh, what is this? Okay, this is from Wet n Wild. It says new Mega Cushion Highlight. Who's That Pearl is the color. Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Highlight / Illuminator, $5.99. Oh, I wish I could open it and see the color and see what it was like without having to break the seal, because I don't know if I would use it. Just because personally, I do not use, like, because it says cushion, so if it's like a wet highlighter, I don't think I would use it. I'm literally like a powder highlighter girl. That's part of the reason in my Jeffree Star giveaway, I'm giving away the Liquid Frost. But it is vegan and cruelty free, which is great. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and I'm pretty sure being a cushion, it is going to be a liquid. So this will be put into a future giveaway for one of you guys. And knowing that the color is Who's That Pearl, I'm gonna go with, it's probably a white, you know, iridescent highlighter. So I'm sure it's gorgeous. All right, so then we have Water Ice Lavere Depilatory Cream Natural Plant Hair Remover. Lavender. Not to stimulate skin, natural hair removal effect. Removes the hairs of body, armpit, quickly and persistently by means of physical property. After moisturizing the hair removal site with a wet towel, apply this product evenly to the hair removal site. Usage amount should be fully covered with body hair, about 2 millimeters thick, and keep for 5 to 8 minutes. Gently wipe with a towel along the opposite direction of hair growth and then clean with water. So it's a hair remover, like, let's see. Water Ice Lavere Depilatory Cream, $9.99. That's interesting. I'm looking forward to No Shave November. I ain't even gonna front. All right, so now we have, what do we have here? This is from Purian Natural Teeth Whitening Activated Coconut Charcoal Powder. So the natural teeth whitening's $19.99 is what is on the card. Natural and organic activated coconut and charcoal powder made from 100% natural ingredients. Use a soft brush, make toothbrush slightly wet, remove excess water from brush, dip brush into the charcoal powder, brush teeth like normal for 1 to 2 minutes, rinse mouth thoroughly to remove the charcoal, spit directly into the sink and use water to keep the sink clean. Use once or twice daily. Enjoy a whiter, healthier smile the natural way. What is 100% natural, paraben free. All right, so we have a charcoal coconut teeth whitening powder. So we are definitely, with this box, I can kind of see a theme here with the hair remover, the face mask, the teeth whitener. We're getting ourselves in check. And we do have the highlighter, you know, for a little sparkle, and then we did get the bonus soap so we can make sure we don't sink. But there's still 2 more things in here, so let's see here. We have from Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. And it says this is a $19.50 value, and I do know that Clinique, even like this being like a travel size, Clinique is, you know, pricey. So I definitely think the price point is definitely there. I have not tried a Clinique mascara, but I got one now. Got one in my arsenal. All right, and we have one more product here, and this is from Skin Dimitri James. This is an eyeshadow palette. Luxe Premier Eyeshadows Collagen Boost Treatment Shadow Collection. That sounds interesting. And this is the Desert Glimmer. And this is a $16 value. I want to see what it says about that. 12 pure luxury full treatment eyeshadows that deliver rich anti-aging actives, antioxidants, and collagen boosting peptides to the eyelids. These advanced shadows are talc free, so even lined or crepey eyelids will look glossy, smooth, and beautiful. Apply to eyelids using indicated applicator or professional shadow brushes, dampen applicator, and wet to impart more intense, brilliant color. That sounds awesome. So you use your eyeshadow and it makes you not look old. That sounds amazing. So let's see what these color. I'm thinking with Desert Glimmer, we're probably gonna have like some neutral colors, shiny colors, would be my guess. Ooh, okay. Did not want to come out. So it comes out like this. Ooh, this is pretty. Yes, we definitely have some neutrals here. If I can. Oh, okay, so that's neat. So you have your lid here and there's actually a little mirror right there. I just noticed that. But then you actually can, I thought this would just come off. It like flips open. There are two little applicators down. But yeah, so it is a neutral, and but it goes down to this deep color here, and I see a lot of shimmers, like 1, 2, I would say only 2 of these are mattes and the rest are shimmers. So the glitter there in the name is spot on. So we have the darker color here is a matte right here, and then this whiter color right here, this third one, is also a matte. The rest are shimmers. So that is really pretty. I like the packaging, it's different. I'm actually gonna put this back in the box. I will set this to the side for a giveaway just because I have so many neutral palettes. Although I do really, really like the idea of it having collagen and all of that. So hopefully one of you guys will really enjoy this in a future giveaway. So just to recap really quick, we have the Desert Glimmer eyeshadow palette. We have the Water Ice Lavere. It's like the hair removal cream. We have the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion highlighter in Who's That Pearl. We have the Coconut and Charcoal Powder Teeth Whitening. The Black Peel Off Mask. We have this Lavender Bar of Soap. And the deluxe travel size here of the Clinique High Impact Mascara. So I definitely think they covered lots of, you know, face mask, mascara, highlighter, something to whiten your teeth, something to remove hair, something, you know, an eyeshadow palette, but an eyeshadow palette that has like an extra benefit, which I think is awesome. So let me know what you think down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to enter the many, many giveaways we have going on, especially the Crock-Pot collab, because those prizes are awesome. So definitely check that out. Follow that link, see what to do to enter, and I hope that you partake and win. So have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys on the next one. Bye.